everyone, and welcome to TPK. So officially there is no new video this week, which you've probably already noticed if you're following the channel. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more incredible videos. But for right now, I'm taking a little break because we are traveling. We are actually moving right now, so we're living that sweet life in a hotel room with 2 kids. In the process of a big move. So there's some important information coming up pretty soon about new locations, new vacations. I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon about the traveling without car seats, and actually this trip helped out a lot just to show some different examples of why we don't travel with car seats and different options that we have used in the past. So look forward to that video very soon. And also just some new travel videos in general. So I'll show you moving out of the old apartment, moving into our new digs, and hopefully getting in some really quality family vacations all in between. And I'm really trying super hard to plan an anniversary trip. Little surprise getaway with my husband really soon too. So that one will be without the children. Hopefully. We'll see what happens with that. But in the meantime, wish us luck or blessings or send positive vibes out into the universe for safe traveling blessings, traveling mercies, whatever. Wish us well as we venture into the unknown and into our new home. Ciao for now.